In today's lesson, we're going to look at increasing and decreasing by a given percentage without a calculator. To increase by a given percentage, you need to find the percentage of the amount that you want to increase by and then add it onto the original amount. So, in this example I'm given, I'm asked to increase 400 by 35%. I need to start off by working out what 35% of 400 is. I could say that 10% of 400 would be 400 divided by 10, which is 40, and 5% is going to be half of this, which is 20. Now, in order to get 35%, I want 3 lots of 10%, that's going to give me 30%, and I want 5%, that gives me 35% in total. 3 lots of 10% means 3 lots of 40, so I know that 30% is going to be 120. I know that 5% was given to me, and that is 20, and when I add these together I get 0, 4 and 1, meaning that 35% of 400 is 140. Because I want to increase 400 by this 35%, I need to take my original amount of 400 and add 35% on. We know that 35% is 140. So if I work that out, we get 0, 4 and 5, meaning that increasing 400 by 35% gives me 540 as my answer. If, however, I'm asked to decrease by a given percentage, I need to find that percentage but subtract it from the original amount. In my example, I'm asked to decrease 700 by 40%. So, the first thing I want to do is work out what 40% of 700 is. I can say that 10% of 700 would be 700 divided by 10, which is 70, and to get 40%, I want 4 lots of this. So therefore 40% is 70 times by 4, which is 280. In order to decrease 700 by 40%, I need to take the original amount of 700 and take away 280 from it. So, working this out, 0 take away 0 is 0. In order to do the next part, I need to borrow, so 7 becomes 6, and I get 10 take away 8, which is 2. And lastly, 6 take away 2 is 4, meaning decreasing 700 by 40% gives me 420 as my answer. So what I'd like you to do is work out the answers to these percentage increase and decrease questions. The worksheet is attached to show my homework if you prefer printing it off, but it will require a lot of working out, which I expect to see in your maths books. You can pause the video now and have a go at these questions, and unpause when you're ready for the answer. Please remember that you shouldn't be using a calculator to help you work any parts of this out. Here are your answers. Please check these very carefully against what you've got, and if you have made any mistakes, go back and see if you can fix them. Make sure your work is either ticked or crossed, and once you've done this, take a photo and submit it to Show My Homework so I can see how you've got on with the work for today. If you are struggling to complete some of the work from today's lesson, then please do not hesitate to get in touch via comment on Show My Homework. I'll try to make myself as available as possible and get a reply to you as quickly as I can. If the issue requires a little bit more input from myself, I might ask to arrange a time to meet on Teams where I can give you some personalised help with that specific problem.